Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. No? And kung napanood niyo yung previous two videos natin, pinag-uusapan natin yung chain rule. No? So yung chain rule, ginagamit natin siya sa expressions, no? Like binomial or polynomial in general, maliban sa monomial. With exponents, no? Yung malalaki yung exponents in particular. So, chain rule, pwede nating gamitin yon to solve derivatives such as this. No? So, anong gagawin natin dyan? No? Sabi sa previous video, gagawin na natin u ito. No? We let this equal to u. X to the 5th minus 9x to the 4th plus 8x cubed. And then, since u na yan, magiging y equals u to the 10th na. Diba? So, u na ito. So, y equals u to the 10th. So, gagawin lang natin is to get the derivative of both sides, no? So, du dx, no? Equals 5x to the 4th. Bababa natin to. And then x. And then, bawasan natin to. That's the power rule, di ba? Pag-aralan natin power rule. Okay, so naalala nyo pa? This power rule, x raised to the n. Bababa natin yung n. And then, subtract 1 from the exponent, no? So, power rule yan. Next, we have minus. Bababa natin yung 4, magiging 4 times 9, magiging 36. And then we have x cubed, babawasan natin yung isa dito, yung 4. So, naging x cubed. And then we have a plus 24 x squared. No? Okay? And then we also get the derivative of this, yung dy du is equal to 10, bababa natin to, u raised to the 9th power. By the way, kung hindi kayo familiar sa ganitong notation, pag gumamit tayo ng ganitong notation, yung katabi ng d sa taas, yun yung dependent variable natin. No? Tapos yung x sa baba, ito yung independent variable natin. Kaya dito, yung y natin nasa taas, saka yung u natin sa baba. Yan yung standard notation natin. Okay, so remember that. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap intindihin. No? Okay, so gumagamit na yun ng notation na ganito because of this formula, no? dy dx equals dy du times du dx. So, pwede nating sundin yan dito. dy dx equals dy du times du dx. Okay? So, ano na mangyayari? So, ang dy du natin ay 10u raised to the 9th. No? 10u raised to the 9th. And yung du dx natin ay ito. This is 5x to the 4th minus 36x cubed plus 24x squared. Okay? Sabi ko sa inyo sa previous video, pag dy dx yung hinahanap natin, dapat yung itong variable na to, dapat ito yung nakalagay dito sa right hand side. Parang dito, di ba? Du dx, nandito siya. No? Yung x lahat ng variable na nasa kanan. So, ibig sabihin, may gagawin pa tayo dito sa u. Anong gagawin natin doon sa u? So, substitute natin yung original expression. So, u equals x to the 5th minus 9x to the 4th plus 8x cubed. So, this is equal to 10 times u, which is x to the 5th minus 9x to the 4th plus 8x cubed. Parentheses, to the 9th, diba? Ito yung u na 10u to the 9th. This is 9th. And, of course, ito pa. Yung 5x to the 4th minus 36x squared. This is x squared. Saan ba ito galing? This is squared, no? Mukha kasi siyang 3. Or teka lang. X cube nga ba? Saan nga ba galing to? This is du dx, no? Oh, this is cubed, sorry. So, this is cubed. Du dx siya. Cubed siya. Ito. And then plus 24x squared. Now, may mga teachers na pag meron tayong simpleng expressions lang ay pinapadistribute nila. So, kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo i-distribute yan. magiging 10 times 5x to the 4th minus 36x cubed plus 24x squared. Okay, pwede yun i-distribute, magiging 50x to the 4th minus 360x cubed plus 240x squared. Pwede naman yun, no? X to the 5th minus 9x to the 4th plus 8x cubed raised to the 9th. Pero pag ako, kino-consider ko na to. Pag ako yung teacher nyo, consider ko na to as full point, no? So, depende lang siguro sa agreement nyo ng teacher nyo. Dapat, tanungin nyo siya pag mga simple bang ganito ay pwede bang ay kailangan bang i-simplify, no? Because definitely, to the 9th, hindi naman natin yun masisimplify, no? So, as is na yan. So, this is dy dx. Tanongin nyo na si teacher nyo or si professor nyo if do you need to distribute this. No? Okay, so, hindi ko na to sasagutin yung number. Ito sa susunod na lang na video, no? Kasi medyo mahaba na yata itong video natin. So, gusto ko na lang kayong invite sa ating YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe kayo kasi dami pa natin i-discuss, no? And of course, our Facebook page. Pwede nyo i-like at yung ating website. Pwede nyo i-visit. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.